Now the real work begins. I've got 2 jalapenos de-seeded. I'm gonna dice them up small. Before I started this, I put 2 sticks of butter in the freezer. I'm gonna shred about 3/4 cup of cheese. I've got a mixture of Colby Jack and cheddar cheese here. Now you know we're making a big batch, so cut this in half if you don't need as many. 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Mix your dry ingredients. I've got my scale out in another bowl. Zero it out so that we can measure how much the flour weighs. 757 grams. So divided by 2. Babe, what's half of 757? He's my math whiz.
78.5.
So 378 grams.
Don't ask me no quadratic equations.
Now we've got 2 separate batches. To one batch, we're gonna add the cheddar cheese and the jalapenos. I'm gonna shred a stick of butter into each one. I'm gonna pop it in the freezer while I shred the other stick. I have the buttermilk in the freezer as well. We're gonna add 1 cup of buttermilk to each one. And we're using a fork. We're gonna gently mix everything together. Make sure to grab the flour from the bottom of your bowl. A little cup of coffee to warm me up. We're gonna pop one in the freezer while we roll out one. Have our pastry mat out. We're gonna lightly flour the surface. We're gonna dump out our biscuit mix. Pat it together. Roll it out to about 1 inch thick. Fold it over. Roll it out again. I'm gonna use a pastry cutter and I'm gonna fold it in. It does seem loose, but you just pat it together. Roll it out again. As you're doing this, you'll see it come together. Roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. You see how it's come together. Using a cup because I don't have a biscuit cutter. Flour the cup. You want to go straight down and straight up. Like on my biscuit. And a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pop them in the freezer. We're gonna do our jalapeno. We're gonna take out our cast iron pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Carefully place your biscuits in the hot pan. Brush the tops with some buttermilk. To the oven they go for about 20 minutes. These we're gonna pop in the freezer and then we'll just bag them to use on a different day. Ooh, they smell so good. A little bit of butter to the tops.
It's like no matter what I do.
First, let's try this jalapeno cheddar one. Does it pica?
No.
Oh yeah, they're good. They're not spicy because it's de-seeded. It just has a jalapeno flavor. Our regular biscuits. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. What are some of the things that you like to prep for the week?